From Random Things with John and Zach. Here is John and Zach.
Hey guys, welcome back to Random Things with John and Zach. And this doesn't sound right.
There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Random Things with John and Zach. And today I do have an announcement. We have a mic. So that's good news. And finally, I'm here to show you part 2 of this really cool Rubik's Cube illusion. Now, I initially filmed the whole thing like 2 months ago, or a month and a half ago, and I'm really sorry for the delay. We have had some other videos, so that helps a little bit, but I'm still sorry that it hasn't come up yet. So I'm really excited to show you. I sped it up a bunch, and I did a voiceover instead of just like talking live, so that might help. And comment down below if you think it helped or not. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Subscribe, or comment, like, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, so starting off here, as I showed in the last video, you're just gonna kind of round off the corners like that. And now I suggest getting a newspaper and get a thin tip and a regular tip marker. And what you're going to do with the regular tip, you're going to outline each piece on the top as I'm showing right now. So you're just going to outline it like that, and you're going to do it for every piece. What to do next is, as I'm explaining there, you are going to make the lines tracing all of the diagonal lines like that, and you're going to do it for both of them. Here, as you can see, that I added another line on the left, and what you're going to do for all of those lines on the inside, you're going to trace them like that, the same way you did them for the diagonal lines. Now you're going to take the thin tip Sharpie and you're going to trace all the things you haven't traced yet on the outside. After this, now we are on to the coloring. So I would suggest taking out all the colors you need for a normal Rubik's Cube, which is white, blue, orange, green, and red, and yellow. And just color it any way you want to. I colored it scrambled, you can color it solved, but just do it any way you would like to. After you have finished coloring the whole cube, or cube illusion, you are going to take out a pencil and also a black colored pencil, I would suggest. And what you're going to try and do, you're going to try and make a shadow. And what you're going to do is experiment with it, like make the most perfect combination you think you can get. And also with your thumb, you can like rub off a little amounts to make it look even better. So just keep experimenting to try and make it look best as it can. And the last step is to cut off the top part. So with either scissors or a pocket knife or something like that, you're going to cut off at the middle of the middle edge, as you can see there, and you're going to cut off everything above it like that. Okay, right now I'm showing you a few angles of the paper drawing, and comment down below if you like the speed, if it's too fast, if it's too slow. And remember, comment, like, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you in the next video.